So I have here a 6 GPU mining rig. The model of the GPUs is AMD RX 550 series. Now, before the tweak of the AMD drivers software, I was getting 51, almost 52 mega hashes. Now, after the tweak, you can see that I'm getting almost 70 mega hashes. So if you do the math, that's about 35% of increased hash rate. Okay, now maybe some of you will ask what's the power consumption of each card, but I don't think that the power consumption is bigger, because it's just about the drivers. I mean, I don't think that AMD would want more current running through their cards because of this tweak, because that would just uh, make the cards go bad, like before the warranty or something like that. But anyway, if you have a electricity meter, just test it out with the tweak, see if you get more current flow into the cards. Alright, now I will just show you how to make every of this card run with the tweak, because maybe many of you don't know how to do it. So just go to the AMD software, and you have to go to gaming, global settings, and now you will see here that you have all the cards. So I got 1 2 3 4 5 6 cards. So these are the global graphics. You can read it on the first line, and then you have this global watt man. We don't care about this, we only care about the global graphics. So what you want to do is go through every of your card. I will just have to wait. It would be better if you stop your miner during this procedure. So run through every of your card at the global graphics settings, and you want to change the GPU workload to compute. So from graphics to compute. Now if I change the workload, you will see that you have to restart the graphics somehow. So you want to click yes, then you will just have to wait until the AMD software is coming again on the screen like this. Okay, so after each card you will have to press yes on the graphics restart and wait until this appears on the screen. Then go back to gaming, global settings again, and go to the other graphics card, until you have made the settings for all of the cards. and after that you're good to go. Just start the miner and you will get the higher hash rate. Okay, so don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel.